So hi guys, today's lesson about how we can create VM instance over Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, we will log into Google Cloud Platform admin console. As of now, you can see. Okay, I have logged in already here. Okay, so first we will go on search bar. Okay, and we will type like VM instance. I have already searched two instance. That's why it is showing my history. Okay, so first we will click here VM instance, and then so it is showing instance is stopped because I have stopped some instance sometimes ago. It is showing, there is no problem. Okay, so now we will click on create instance. Okay, so after this option we will get some interface for creating VM instance. Okay, now it is buffering, it will take some seconds. Okay, now it is open. Now what we have to do, we have to select some name for our VM instance. Okay, so I will choose some name for our VM instance. As of now we will select instance day one. Okay, make sure you can't keep space between name because it is case sensitive. Okay, here is showing options. Labels is nothing. We'll talk about labels in next sessions. Labels is like sometimes you are working on testing teams, sometimes you are working as a developer teams, sometimes you are working as a production environment. So that time we will use labels for like checking where you are working, like where are you from, like developer team as well as testing team. How we will know? That time we will use labels. Okay, as of now we will leave. Okay, now we will select some regions. Here is like a US Central, US Central Loa, because you know why? Because this is cheapest location. If I will go to like a South America East one, cost will go to increase. You can see here. Wait, it will take some $40. So as of now we are in practicing mode. We will we will use some lowest and cheapest regions. Okay, so that's why I've selected US Central Loa, and now it will providing some zones. Different region have some different zones, so as of now we can go through any zone which is up to you, as well as okay, as well as me. I have chosen the US Central Loa one. Machine configurations, Google is providing some machines because we are creating some instance. That's why it is a variety of machines. When we will click here, we will get like lots of options, like which type of machines which is providing, like E2 CPU platform selection based on availability, N2 N2D. This is like some various type of machines. First, as of now we are creating only VM instance, so we will go through some basics. Machine type, like how many core CPU you want. 2 core CPU and 4 GB memory is already selected. We will go through that. We will not go through like a 2 GB memory. It is up to you. If you want, you can go through like 2 GB memory. It is up to you. Okay. As of now, display device, enable your display device. It is like a very advanced topic. We will talk about in next session. As of now, we can leave. Of confidential VM services, it is mainly using when you are working on like production environment and you are working on some industry project. That time we are using like this option, confidential VM service. As of now we are beginner, we are only creating VM instance, so that's why we can leave these options. Deploy container is important because you are creating instance. Without deploy container, how you will know like which type of VM instance you have created? So that's why it is providing some public image where you can select your VM instance operating systems. So that's why I have clicked there. Now I will get like Debian, Linux, Fedora, too many options. Wait, I have clicked there. CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Linux, Red Hat. So as of now, I'm very familiar with like Ubuntu. That's why I have selected Ubuntu. Okay, it will show some latest versions. This is very latest and stable version. Stable version. That's why it is selected by default. So as of now, I will leave. Okay, this option. I will go through these options. Okay, and what I will do, this is like a balanced persistent disk. There is like too many type of disk. We will discuss about like how we are using balanced persistent disk and like when we will use extreme persistent disk. We will talk about in next sessions why it is important and like what's the role of this four type of disk. Okay, how many size of GB you want to store in your operating system? There is 10 GB as of now. Like that is enough for me. I will select. Okay, it is already selected as of now. Okay, I have changed to like Ubuntu. Okay, and access scope is always selected allow default access because we are not using any cloud APIs. So as of now we will leave. As of now, firewall is nothing like allow incoming traffic, outgoing traffic. Like you can see here, uh, allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTP traffic, HTTPS traffic. Okay, like when we are using this option, we will use only this option when we are working on load balancing concept, and when we are working on some real times server projects. That time we are working on like incoming traffic, outgoing traffic. So as of now, we are creating only VM, so no, don't worry about that. Okay, some network persistence, security measures, or transparency. We are not using this concept, so that's why we will leave. We will talk about what is fault tolerance and security risk networking. We will talk about in some next session. Okay. Now we will click on create. It will take a few seconds. Now it will create. Okay. So as of now, we will see like how it is going to live, and now you can see like name is we have selected instance day one is there. Okay, as of now June will be also different. Okay, different because sometimes because it is buffering error status, so that's why. uh, so as of now we can wait for few seconds. Okay, now after sometimes it will create some 2 minutes options is there like explore explore view billing pod, monitor VMs, explore VM logs. These 2 minutes rules we can we will talk about how explore VM logs work, and monitor VMs are also important because sometimes we are working on some real project. That time we need to monitor every process. So that time we will use like monitor VMs. Now sometimes we need monitor VMs, so that's why. As of now, it is taking some times. I don't know why it is taking too much times, but now it is created and status is showing. Instance is running. Okay. Uh, we have selected already US Central one. This is our zone, internal IP, external IP, and as such. What is the role of internal and internal or external IP is nothing. External IP is mainly using for like DNS mapping when we want to host our website over the cloud services. Then we will map through external IP through DNS record in any domain company like GoDaddy, Bluehost, as well as any any domain company. We will talk about that in next session how we can host whole website over cloud services. Okay, so we will check it is working or not. I have clicked on SSH. It will take few seconds, and now it will be open to it is working or not. Okay, so it is transferring SSH key to VM because there is some private credentials is here. Automatic Google connecting to their SSH contact. So it will be take minutes for connecting, and we can our VM is working okay. So, because sometimes sometimes people are getting uh, then after his SSH console 2 minutes. So that's why that's sorting issues. So, now we can here can do that. It is, I don't know why. Yeah, now it is open. Okay. So what we will do, we will check our instance is live, but it is working or not. So we will do one thing. We will do one thing. Type sudo su. Sudo su is like command for going to root user. Okay. So as of now, what we will do, we will do one thing. We will create some directory. So we will type make directory day one enter. Now we will type ls. Yeah, day one is showing. Okay, so now we will install some packages like sudo no apt-get install install Wait. Apt-get install. I don't know why it is lagging. Apt-get install C matrix. Some package I'm going to install here. Okay. It is unable to locate. Why I don't know. Building reading unable to package C matrix. Wait. Actually, I have done some mistake here. Wait. We will go through some command like date. Now it is working. It's showing like date. Okay. So now it is working. So we can do command close. Not close will not work because we are in Ubuntu. So we it will work exit. Oh, actually exit is also not working. So we can do what? We can do clear option for clear is working. Okay, so as of now, this all about like how we can create VM instance and how we can work on like VM our own VM instance. So thank you guys. This is all about like VM instance.